1988 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. She has T-tops, bucket seats, console. Paint is in overall great condition. 88 model year was the last year for the rear-wheel drive Gbody, guys. Made famous by NASCAR. What wins on Sunday sells on Monday. She got a little over 61,000 miles. She got the high output 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Interior is nice and clean. Dash has no opportunity. T-top channel's nice and clean. Back seats are in excellent condition. Package tray. Headliner. Let's start her up. Fire right up. It's running like a sewing machine, guys. Don't miss out on it. Y'all know I love Gbodies. It's absolutely beautiful. Y'all have a good one.